guess what? You ain't doing nothing. Oh, damn. Like I said, you gotta pull him out the other way.
Time to get the power stroke on it.
Damn, do I have to pull my truck over here or what?
Go get that damn dog.
Now he's got it neutral, right?
Yeah, no, he hasn't.
He needs to put it neutral. He needs to put it neutral. If anybody wants to run over there and tell him. Nice ass, by the way. Yeah, he ain't doing nothing with the reverse, so all he's gonna do is back them up and then blow his transmission.
Yep.
Come on! Motherfuckers ain't even filling up there.